Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can ask for a referral on LinkedIn. And this is quite simple. Alright, first of all, if you want to ask a referral from, you can search just for that person, just right here. And then you can click on that profile. And then from here, you can click on his profile again. And then you can send him a message and ask him on a kind way if he can send you a referral. But the other way is we go to jobs, search jobs, and let's say we want to receive a referral of a very good data analyst. Then we search for data analyst like this. Then select the country where you want to search for a data analyst. So let's say basketball analytics intern. Now that's a nice call, but from now what we want to do is we click on jobs and we go to people. Show results. Right now you will find a lot of people who are important or interested to receive a referral. So let's say this person right here. We can message him by clicking on message, but you can also search for his mail and then email him to receive a referral from this person. So you need to be creative. Just click on message and send him something like referral. Oh, let's say referral request. Write down why you want his referral, and then after this send this to him, and maybe he will send you a referral when you asked for it. Alright, this is exactly how you can do this, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.